So this is California Hotel and Casino here in downtown Las Vegas. Let's go and explore. All right, let's go inside Hotel California Hotel and Casino. So as you enter, there is a bar right here. Bar.
Alright, nothing.
Bar. And I think this is their Keno board. Yeah, this is their Keno board right here. And they have the restrooms right here. And then these are the elevators to their hotel. That's a nice display right there. And then this is their hotel registration. Registration. So, so it says we have restaurants, banquet rooms to the right. So this is their cashier's cage here. Okay, so they have a California noodle house. Looks like it's closed already. Closed. Looks like they have the Market Street Cafe, which is busy. So you got the Redwood Steakhouse right there. And then these are elevators. So this is under Boyd's properties again. It's under Boyd. Yep. So the Market Street Cafe looks like it's very popular. There's a long line right there. Line. And we have a lot of slots here. So this is under Boyd, so Boyd Rewards. So it's just like with Aliante Casino. And this is their sports book right here. This is a big sports book. Sports book. And so you have the table games in the middle right there. Table games. Then you have slots right here. So it looks like there are a lot more restaurants on the other side. Oh, okay. So looks like I'm back. Looks like I'm back with the bar. So this is the Holo Holo, the Happy Ball. I think that's it. So, that's it. That's the California Hotel and Casino here in downtown Las Vegas. So your taxi and rideshare pickup are outside to the left. So like watching this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch this video next. And thank you for watching.